Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a few years. I probably owe you an explanation or so, but yeah, it's been crazy busy, and between expanding the nursery business, growing plants, my kids growing up, they're both in school, everybody working full-time, me here at the nursery, my wife, there's just something. I only had so many hours in the day, so I decided to just focus on my business for a while. But I miss you guys, so I decided to do some update videos here. This is a pond that my wife built a couple years ago for her koi, and I just thought I'd give you a little tour here of just our patio. And then I think I'm going to do some future videos and go off into the greenhouses. Now, this is our lived-in patio, so there's clothes on the line and towels for the pool and stuff like that all over the place. But yeah, let's get started. So we used to have koi at our old location. You'll probably remember some koi videos of the koi pond there. So we decided to build another one. And when we left our old location, we gave up all our palm trees that were in the ground, and so we grew some from seed, and that's how big they are now. Those ones we actually started from seed at the old location. But yeah, so everything's I love the tropical feel, so that is my goal here on this patio. There's a waggy palm, and this is a trachycarpus palm. There's some floating carnivorous plant baskets in the pond. Little water bowl here. Another palm. We just put this one in the ground this year. Little garden over here. Totally different than you've ever seen on any of our videos, because I don't think I've ever shown this. We've lived at this property for 5 years now, and I did do some videos while I was here, but as time got less and less, unfortunately, the videos also got less and less. But anyways, yeah, more new palm trees. These are Brugmansias. Chamarup's humerus palm. Growing quite nicely. It's in a pot. It's hardy to about -10, but it's still in a pot. Some little taros in the ground. This is our red banana that has been with us for like 15 years. If there's any red banana videos that you remember, that is the exact plant still. It comes in, gets chopped back every year, grows back. It's still early in the year, so it's still kind of small. It's a little shady area here with another palm tree in. Some nice Japanese maples here. This one's really cool. It has like a white variegation to it. You can see some hibiscus behind us there. Some hostas on the ground. I'm just getting into yuccas this year as well, so I have some yuccas kicking around. And some more maples, Brugmansias, bananas. They're doing quite well. We can walk this little path here and come out the other side. More Brugmansias, some little palm trees that were growing. These ones are Trachycarpus 360 silvers, so they're going to be kind of cool when they get bigger, hopefully anyways. Another palm. Some bromeliads in the trees. Like that one, that's a Regelia fireball. Some ferns, some yuccas. But yeah, I spend a lot of time on the patio when I'm not working in the nursery, not working in the greenhouses, so I consider this area my not work area. A few more palm trees down here, another big one. They're getting some size now. They went into the ground quite young, but after being here about 2 years, we really just decided, wow, we miss our palm trees. And so we started putting them in the ground again. There are a few taros back there, hostas, some tree ferns. This one I don't know what it's called. We put it in. It looks pretty tropical. So that was sort of the feel we're going for. Japanese maples. Some roses out. More palms. More bananas. Yep. On the other side of the fence is all the greenhouses and stuff like that. Here's where I just love to, after a hot day in the greenhouses, jump in the pool. So palm trees around. These ones are still in pots because we're on cement now. So this is a Washington Robusta, some Dactyphylas, Mexican palm. I forget the Latin name right now. Some sables down there. A little Sarracenia tray. This year I decided to go mainly with flavas in the back and then purpurias in the front. Some freshly divided perps, so they look kind of like crap, but they were like really big ones. So I put like, it divided into like 6 trays. A lot of these are seed growing. There's a few that aren't seed growing in here. Let's see, what do we got? This is Maxima from Honeysuckle Road. I think it's in South Carolina. Some nice Mike King clones right here, and here, and here. Those are Mike Kings. There's Flava ornata. That's Phil's breeder or Phil's clone. This might be my Wakama here. Yeah, there's a Wakama. I didn't do so good this year. I shoved it outside and it didn't redden up. My other one I divided, so it really hated being divided. Some more seed grown stuff. Look at this little spider sitting here. Just waiting. Just waiting. What else? Lavender, or not lavender, Labrador tea. It bloomed this year for me. That was cool. Nice ultra perp. Some beautiful stuff in here. But yeah, this is sort of where I hang out. There's more palm trees in there. That's the pool goes into our house sort of thing. And then we have upper patios and yeah. So this is where I reside when I'm not in the greenhouses. And I think, yeah, that's going to be our little patio tour anyways, we're going to call this. And we're going to end it just with a few more palm trees. My wine palm, liking that. This one I can't see the tag. It is Sable Mexicana, I want to say. That's at the fence there. My lounge chair. My diving board with kids' toys on. Where else can we go? Oh, my variegated banana. We'll end with that one. So a few more palm trees. Most of these are seed grown by me. And yeah, here's my variegated banana. The white always gets fried on it, unfortunately, but second pup. And this guy's really tall. It hates life out here right now. It's just adjusted from winter to summer, but it's really tall. Way, way up there. That's as high as I can reach above my head. And it goes like way up. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Bought a bougainvillea. Haven't had one of those for many years. And yeah, these are boudia palms, jelly palms. So they're fun too. I really like them. But anyways, this is where I have been spending my leisure time when I'm not working in the greenhouses. And when I'll be on the next video, take you on a tour of one of the greenhouses and go from there. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to bringing back a bit more content for you. And if you want to see more videos like this, more updates, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.